Let's talk about making money, big money. As a student, think $10,000 a month. Sounds incredible, right? The internet is full of stories like that. The problem is, most of them are just that, stories. They sell you a fantasy, a quick fix. This isn't about overnight riches. It's about building a sustainable income stream, one that gives you flexibility and control over your future. We're going deep. We'll expose the misleading tactics used to lure you in. We'll give you the tools to identify real opportunities. You'll learn how to evaluate different business models. This is about empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial future. No more get-rich-quick schemes. No more empty promises. Think of your journey to $10,000 a month like a road trip. You need the right vehicle to get you there. This is your business model. It's the engine of your success. The wrong vehicle, you'll be stuck on the side of the road, frustrated and nowhere near your destination. The right one? It'll take you there smoothly and efficiently. So how do you choose? You need something low risk, especially as a student. You're not looking to gamble with your tuition money, but it also has to have high reward potential. You want to aim for that $10,000 and beyond. Let's talk about what to choose. Trading, for example, is a minefield. Sure, you see the stories of overnight millionaires, but what they don't show you are the countless others who lost everything. Remember those gurus promising easy money? They make money when you lose. They're incentivized to keep you in the dark, feeding you false hope while you watch your savings disappear. Even with a small investment, turning $1,000 into $10,000 or more in a year is statistically unlikely. The odds are stacked against you. It's like playing the lottery with your future. Section 3. Service-based businesses. Your ticket to 10K. Now, let's talk about viable options. Service-based businesses are a great place to start. They're generally low risk, require minimal upfront investment, and have huge income potential. What kind of services? Think about your skills. Can you write, design websites, manage social media? There's a market for almost any skill online. The key is to offer something valuable, something businesses are willing to pay for month after month. This is how you create recurring revenue, the holy grail of any successful business. Section 1. Embracing the lean startup mentality. Building a business doesn't mean you need a fancy office, a team of employees, or a huge marketing budget. In fact, starting lean is often the best approach, especially as a student. The lean startup methodology is all about efficiency. It's about validating your ideas quickly and cheaply, minimizing risk, and maximizing your chances of success. Instead of spending months or even years developing a product, you're going to focus on launching a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is a bare bones version of your product or service, designed to test the market and get feedback from real customers. Section 2. Identifying your niche and validating your idea. Before you even think about building anything, you need to know who you're building it for. This is where niche selection comes in. What specific group of people are you passionate about serving? Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast who loves helping others achieve their health goals. Or perhaps you're a tech whiz who can build websites in your sleep. Whatever your skills and interests, there's a niche out there waiting for you. Once you have a niche in mind, it's time to validate your idea. This means testing the waters to see if there's actually a demand for what you're offering. You can do this through market research, surveys, and even just talking to potential customers. Section 3. Launching your minimum viable product, often called an MVP. Your MVP is your first real step into the market. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does need to be functional enough to solve a specific problem for your target audience. For example, if you're a writer, your MVP could be a simple website offering blog post writing services. Or if you're a graphic designer, you could create a portfolio website and start offering logo design services. The goal of your MVP is to start generating revenue as quickly as possible. This will not only validate your business idea, but also give you the resources to continue growing and improving your product or service. Section 1. From side hustle to sustainable income. Hitting that 10K mark. Congratulations. You've launched your business. You're making your first few hundred, maybe even a few $1,000s. It's exciting, right? But the journey's not over. Now, it's time to scale, to go from side hustle to a sustainable $10,000 a month. Remember those long hours you put in at the beginning? They're about to pay off. You've laid the foundation. You've validated your idea. Now, you have something even more valuable: data. You know what works. Use this data to refine your processes, identify your most profitable services, focus on attracting more of your ideal clients. This is about working smarter, not just harder. Section 2. The power of leverage. Working smarter, not harder. You can't do it all yourself, at least not if you want to reach $10,000 a month and beyond. Leverage is the key. This means using tools, systems, and other people's time to amplify your efforts. Start by automating repetitive tasks. Think email marketing, social media scheduling, even basic customer service. There are countless tools out there designed to free up your time. Next, consider outsourcing. Hire a virtual assistant to handle administrative tasks. Bring on a freelancer to help with content creation or web design. Focus on your strengths and delegate the rest. Section 3. Building your financial fortress, staying power, and beyond. Reaching $10,000 a month is a huge milestone, but the real challenge is staying there. It's about building a financial fortress that can withstand any storm. This means managing your money wisely. Set aside a portion of each paycheck for taxes. Create a budget and stick to it. Start investing early and watch your wealth grow. Remember, financial success isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it, growing it, and using it to design a life you love. Section 1. The journey of 1,000 miles. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From the allure of those flashy $10,000 a month promises to the nitty-gritty of building a real, sustainable business. It's a journey, that's for sure. One that starts with a single step. Remember those misleading shortcuts we talked about? Forget them. They're dead ends disguised as easy paths. True success, the kind that lasts, is built on a foundation of hard work, smart decisions, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. It's about embracing the process, learning from your mistakes, and never giving up on your vision. It's about pushing past your comfort zone, challenging the status quo, and proving to yourself that you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Section 2. Beyond the finish line. Embracing the marathon, not the sprint. Hitting that $10,000 a month mark, that's a cause for celebration. You've earned it. But don't get comfortable just yet. The real magic happens when you realize this is just the beginning. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about constantly learning, growing, and evolving. It's about setting new goals, pushing your boundaries, and never settling for mediocrity. Remember, success isn't linear. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. Embrace the challenges. They're what make the journey worthwhile. And never forget, you're not alone in this. Surround yourself with a supportive community, mentors, and like-minded individuals who inspire you to reach your full potential. Section 3. Your invitation to the next level. Resources and continued growth. This is where your journey truly begins. The information we've shared, consider it your roadmap, a starting point, but the real work starts now. It's time to take action. Remember the link in the description I mentioned earlier? That's your next step. It's packed with even more resources, strategies, and insights to help you on your path to financial freedom. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. There's no such thing. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Take that first step, then another, and another. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and never stop learning. I'm rooting for you. Now go out there and make it happen.